This is a MagSafe compatible tripod. So I really like this. Okay, I just got this for my iPhone. Nice thing about this is it's got this mount. I'll take the mount. You know, the tripod itself is actually universal. So you can put anything that has those threads on there. This is the mount. So I took it off just to show you. So I have the MagSafe case there. And if you click the button, it opens up. And this attaches right there, all right? So now if we spin it, you know, we can spin it, lock it down there, and then we can spin this, right? So really nice, extremely strong. It's not gonna let go of your phone, especially since it has these jaws. And when you wanna take it off, you click the button like that, you pull it right off, all right? And this screws on here. It also has little screw holes on the side so you can attach other devices to this, like if you wanted a light or something like that. So if you wanted to put your phone along with a light, you can, all right? It has a tilt feature right here, so you can tilt it. Now, I would have liked it if it maybe spun a little bit, you know, because to spin it, if it's not perfect, you know, you have to sort of loosen this a little bit. But it works pretty well. I don't really have an issue with it. Has a remote. Haven't used a remote yet. I usually just hit the button on the phone, but this is really nice. If you're gonna walk away, you can use this. It's Bluetooth. It connects to your phone. You know, and you can take the remote with you. All right. To open it, let's see, like that, and it will go that high. So you could pretty much have your phone at your eye level. All right, so just so you have an idea, let's say the middle of the phone is about 63 inches off the floor. All right. I have a few of these from the same company. I really like them. I'll put a link down below. I'm Mike, and I'm out.